going to speak loud today because we are cutting the grass behind me. I hope that is not too obnoxious. This is a 2001 Equispirit 2-horse straight load gooseneck. It is in excellent condition. Of course, the paint's a bit worn. It is a 2001, but structurally it is outstanding. We've done a few upgrades to it just to help out with the age. It was custom made when the person ordered the trailer. So it does have some extra size. It's 7'8" tall. The horse area is 11 feet 6 inches long. It's a standard 7-foot breast and butt bar, and then 4.5 feet of headroom. And it's got a 5-foot dressing room. We just recovered the pads and got some new breast and butt bar pads on the rear. The front pads were great, so they're in excellent condition. These were just recovered and reinstalled today. Of course, it shows some typical wear for its age, but the trailer is in excellent condition. If you're familiar with Equispirit, same as Hawk, really nice quality trailers. Again, it is oversized, 7'8" tall, 6'6" wide, and has an 11-foot 6-inch horse area. It's got a rear ramp with top doors. Those top doors can be tied open for travel. They have sliding windows as well. The tires were pretty new when it got to me. I'll tell you what year they are, what their age is. They were made at the end of last year, end of 2020. So these tires are about 6 months old. 49th week of 2020. We did pull the wheels, check the brakes, the bearings, made sure everything there was good. The trailer's been serviced its whole life by Taylor Boys in Midland, if you're familiar with them, if you're from Virginia. From Northern Virginia, you know what a great job they do of servicing trailers. It does have, some staining because the paint is not as shiny as it used to be, and it just tends to absorb some of those black streaks, typical of its age. I'm gonna give you a little shot underneath of the trailer so you can see what great shape that the frame is in. It is a galvanized steel frame. It has a wooden floor. As you can see, none of these cross members show any issues at all. Wooden floor with rubber mats, 2 pop-up roof vents in the horse area, bar style head divider. Again, the new pads, the breast bars were in great shape, the pads on those, so they were not replaced. A few dents and dings, typical of its age, actually probably better off than its age. 2001 Equispirit. It's got 5,200 pound axles, so it's perfectly equipped to carry the extra size. I think we put some new gasket on that door, so it's a little harder to keep closed right this minute until that gasket compresses. We've got windows in the nose there in the dressing room. I'll show you that nice big dressing room in a minute. Again, the trailer was custom made, oversized, 5,200 pound axles, new tires last year, December of 2020. That battery there will run your lights when you are not connected. It does have a manual jack. The spare is in great condition. It's a late 2018 spare, 47th week of 2018 there. Again, huge horse area here, 4 foot 6 inches in front of the horses, so you have space to strap some things to that front wall. Dressing room is 5 feet on the floor. You've got 2 saddle racks. Additional saddle racks can be ordered from Hawk to go there if you like. Bridle racks with a carpeted bulkhead wall, window into the horse area. Shelf with a clothing bar. Nice big nose. I know what you're thinking, this looks wet here. It's not, it is stained. Could be that the sun coming from the windows has faded that area, I'm not sure, but that carpet is not wet. It does look wet. I made sure to touch it earlier. So again, a 5-foot floor on the dressing room here. You've got tons and tons of space in this oversized trailer. 2001 Equispirit, 7'8" tall, 6'6" wide, 11'6" in the horse area, and a 5-foot dressing room. The trailer is located here at Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. It's been gone through annually by Taylor Boys in Midland, Virginia. If you're familiar with them, you know what a great job they do. And of course, we do all those same services here at Trailer Country on all of our used trailers to make sure that everything is as it should be. Again, Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.